Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn what is notification snoozing. First of all, go to settings of your phone. Then go to notifications. Go to notifications. You will find one term. Allow notification snoozing. It is turned off. Okay, so notification snoozing is turned off as of now. You don't know what is notification snoozing. Okay, so if you don't know, listen here, I will explain. You will see here allow notification snoozing is already turned off. That means notification snoozing is disabled. Notification cannot be snoozed. Okay, so go to the notification area and see the notification. Under the notification, under any notification, take any notification. I am here taking this Gmail notification. Okay, under this Gmail notification there is nothing other than achieve and reply. Okay, there is no snooze button. Okay, snooze button cannot be used. Snoozing cannot be done. Snoozing is not allowed because it is turned off. Okay, suppose snoozing means what you do for alarm. Just you can snooze alarm. Okay, alarm for 5 minutes snooze. That means after 5 minutes alarm will be repeated like that. Here in the in Gmail notification, suppose if you snooze, that means notification will not be received for the particular snooze time. Okay, after that it will be received. Okay, but if you suppose if you receive continuously notification from email, lot of emails are coming, then you can snooze notification for some particular timing. Okay, but as of now it is disabled. Okay, so how now I show how it works. Now I go to allow notification snoozing. Just I turn on allow notification snoozing. Now go to the same email, expand it, and here you will see notification snooze icon. Okay, see here, just click it and it is set to 1 hour. Okay, snoozed for 1 hour. Click on it, click on 15 minutes. Okay, so you can snooze up to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes you will receive notifications. If any new notifications received from Gmail, that will be showing. Okay, so in this way you can easily snooze notification. Okay, using it. So this is the meaning of allow notification snoozing. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.